Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 14th till 20th of September, okay? And we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos, okay? And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Sagittarius for the coming week from 14th till 20th of September, please. Okay, one more shuffle, one more. Okay, so let's see. What is the situation right now in which you are in? It is the Eight of Swords. This is some kind of a fear in which you are in. You know, when you are in a situation where you cannot do anything, you feel that you cannot move. You are in that situation. The environment around you cannot take a decision of your own. The people around you are telling what to do. It's like you are not free. You are feeling like you are in a cage. You cannot do anything. You cannot decide anything of your own. Okay, what is the conflict? The Sun. You might be married. You might even have a child. So the conflicts around you might be, might be because a marriage, might be because you cannot just leave a situation because it seems very happy situation, but it only seems to be. It's not. People around you, what people will think, this is more about that situation over here. What is the foundation? Knight of Wands, the foundation of a situation in which you don't want to look at. So this might be regarding someone who is, who is very much passionate and who just want to do something. This is the Aries energy where somebody, might be you, might be someone else over here. So this is a situation where somebody is really ready to just show some action. This energy is more about action taking rather than thinking. It's like taking some putting some things in action without even deciding, without thinking. Okay, so this is that energy. This is a very immature energy, I would say, because the Knight of Wands is not very cool card, because it's like when you take a decision, it's like whenever you do something without thinking, it might lead you to something horrified. So this is that kind of a situation in which you are in. The foundation is basically that you are really either you or just something else, but more about action oriented rather than thinking. Okay, so what's in the past? The Six of Pentacles. So this is that you might have found someone who is who has the same feelings for you, or when you both are compatible, there is same balance, same harmony, same kind of things attract. So this might be situation as well with where you are really happy to be at, when sometimes at NGOs people love to be at, because people around you, they need love and you also need love. So this is that feeling where you both the situation and you are in the same, you were in the same paragraph, same parallel lines. Okay, what's in your mind? The Empress over here. This is your goals, your purpose. So your purpose is the growth of your life, your growth of your own, the growth of your child, the growth of your family. This is a person who always thinks about the nurturing, the mother, who always sees her children to be happy. She always wants her children to be happy. She always wants good things in life. yeah, a nature lover as well. This is the purpose of your life, to just be happy, content, and always growing. Okay, growing within or growing outside, it doesn't matter. It's more about, you focus on, if you focus on good things will actually come towards you as well. Your future cards, Eight of Wands. So this is something, this is some kind of, with the Wands energy, it is like the action which you always wanted to take, it is actually coming up, and you are going to take it very fast, those actions, because the foundation is more based upon action with the Knight of Wands. But just an advice, think before you do anything. How you see yourself? Death. You see yourself as, transforming. This is more about a rebirth of a person, because in your mind as well, you have the Empress. Your purpose, your aim is very positive, so that is why you always see positive things. If you're ending something, if you're ending a situation, if you're ending a relationship, it is because you actually see a new you in future. That is why you are ending those things of past, the bad endings, you are going to end those things. This is how you see yourself. How people see you? As a Judgment. People see you as someone who is really determined, who really needs to take some decision, or who has already taken some decision. So people have some kind of a thing regarding you. We will clarify this card, what it actually is. Your fears, anxiety, the Chariot. See, your fear is actually moving on. See, the Chariot is telling us over here that when we actually want to move on in our life, we really just have to look in front. We cannot look back. And the Chariot is all about that. You cannot look back. What was in the past, you have to leave behind. So this is the card which is actually telling us that you are more about, your anxiety, your fear is regarding the moving on procedure, like what will happen. This is more about an anxiety of future, and this is if you will move on, then your past will also try to haunt you, so you have that kind of a fear in you. The final outcome, the Ace of Pentacles. Wow. So with the future card and with the final outcome, Eight of Wands with the Ace of Pentacles. So if you have actually thought about this thing, if you have made your decision, because you have actually made a decision, because this is really stable, this is a new beginning in your life, and it is coming towards you really fast, really, really fast. So might be 8 days. Yeah, it is really coming fast towards you, so it's up to you how you take it. And the cards are really good. Let's just clarify this Judgment card over here, why the Judgment is here, how people see you. Judgment with the Page of Wands, and what else, and the Lovers. Yeah, so people see you as somebody who is very immature to take any decision right now. So but we really have to tell these people that do not just interpret whatever you see, okay? Because people see you as someone who is, who has a child, might be married, does not has to be having a child, but people see you as someone who is very immature, who is like, who cannot stand by herself or himself, somebody who always needs a support of family member or someone, someone elder. So this is that kind of a person people really think. But you have a support of someone who is actually the same reflection of yours. So if this is a person of you love, or really you can trust on, this is a really good sign of moving on in your life, because it actually seems like you are really moving on, and you are really determined to move on, to see your growth, whatever it is. You want to restart your life again. Let's see this Knight of Wands. Why is it in the foundation energy? the Star. What else do we have? Seven of Wands. So the foundation is, you really hope, see, it was like this. You never looked at fighting for yourself. See, sometimes to take big decisions in life, you really have to fight for that thing. So you really hope that you might be even having some dreams of fighting, that you're fighting with someone and you're leaving a home or you're leaving some place. But it's more about, like, it's just a hope. It's why are you not putting that into action then, if you really want to do, because you are really determined over here, I can see, Sag, and you are really happy, you are determined, you really want to fight for yourself. There are so many things which you know you really hope for, good things especially. So putting the things into action is very necessary. It's just the plan, the map has been set up, and how to implement that thing, it's now up to you. Alright, so that is all from my side, Saj. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.